Hello everybody and welcome one more day to our online English lessons. Today we're learning a little bit of grammar and we're going to understand how the conditional is formed. Here we go. So what is this of first conditional? If, and the result? Let's see what all this means. Okay, so when do we use conditionals? Is it like making predictions? Well, it's pretty more like making predictions. We use the conditional to express a real or very probable situation in the future because we are observing a condition that will make that thing happen. So we have a condition in the present that will help us to predict a future result. There is a cause and a consequence, in other words. Okay, so we can use a conditional to talk about possible plans. For example, if I travel to Paris, that is a positive condition, I will visit the Eiffel Tower, a positive result. In other words, I can also say, if I don't travel to Paris, that is a negative condition, I won't visit the Eiffel Tower because that's impossible. That is a negative result. Or we can also express this idea in a different way. If I travel to Paris, positive condition, I won't visit the London Eye, negative result. Obviously, because the London Eye is in London, not in Paris. But we can also use the conditional to make promises. For example, I promise you that if I have time tomorrow, that is a positive condition, I will help you cooking, positive result. But we can also express the same idea with different words. With a negative condition, if I don't have time tomorrow, I won't help you cooking, negative result. Maybe because I will have to work. But I can make my promise and also say, if I don't have time tomorrow, negative condition, I will help you the day after tomorrow, positive result. So as you can see, we can express the same idea or the same message with different words. A part of making promises and talking about future plans, we can use the conditional to make warnings. For example, I am observing that there is a girl playing with fireworks. So I say, if she plays with fireworks, positive condition, she will start a fire, positive result. That is going to happen from my point of view. But I can express the same idea with different words. If she doesn't play with fireworks, that is a negative condition, she won't start a fire. Okay, negative result. So, what is the first conditional formula? Well, as you can see, we're all the time repeating the same structure. We use if plus the condition that I observe in the present. We need to introduce this orthographic symbol, the comma, and finally we express the result. For example, if and the condition I travel to Paris, comma, I will visit the Eiffel Tower. If the condition I have time tomorrow, comma, I will help you cooking, the result. And if she doesn't play with fireworks, the condition, comma, she won't start a fire, the result. And I want you to pay attention to this diagram that we have here. Did you know that this formula can be used in a different order? We said that the order of the formula is if plus the condition plus comma plus the result. but we can invert the formula and we can express the result first, if in the middle, and the condition at the end. Let's look at these examples. In my previous examples, I said, if I travel to Paris, I will visit the Eiffel Tower. But I can also say, I will visit the Eiffel Tower if I travel to Paris. It is the same in Spanish. Si viajo a París, visitaré la Torre Eiffel. Pero también puedo decir, visitaré la Torre Eiffel si viajo a París. And it's the same with the other two examples. If I have time tomorrow, I will help you cooking, or I will help you cooking if I have time tomorrow. And finally, if she plays with fireworks, she will start a fire, or she will start a fire if she plays with fireworks. The same in Spanish. Si tengo tiempo mañana, te ayudaré a cocinar. O te ayudaré a cocinar si tengo tiempo mañana. Si ella juega con fuegos artificiales, comenzará un incendio. O comenzará un incendio si ella juega con fuegos artificiales. So as you can see, in this grammar issue, in the conditional, we have a parallelism between English and Spanish. So if you think in Spanish, I think that this will help you in English. And this is the poster I would like you to copy into your notebook, okay? So here you have the title, you have the two formulas, okay? If, condition, comma, and result, or in the other order. First the result, then if, and then condition. You may observe that here we need a comma, but we don't need the comma in this other formula, okay? Remember, important, the condition is in the present. So remember that with the superheroes, we use the S, and to make it negative, we use don't or doesn't. For the future result, we use will or won't, okay? And these are the same examples that I explained to you. That's all for today. I hope you understood how the conditional is formed. I know that you already knew this because we used the conditional when we practiced hypothesis in the natural sciences experiments. So it's just understanding the formulas and also understanding that we can vary the order, saying first the condition and then the result, or the result first and the condition at the end. That's all. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in our next online lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.